usuku olukhulu lomzukulu wami umbusumbushu.
Sejahile uthi siphinde thina sibonane.
I'm doing my makeup. After doing my makeup, ngiyagqoka ivunulo yami, ngihambe ngiyosina, and then sihambe siye for the graduation celebration.
Siyambonga Nomambo Nkosi yami kuyiphatha kuhle kunomvuzo obuka nje.
Ngiyabonga uNkulunkulu, ngiyambonga nani emidele izinto zenu nayishiya neminye imicimbi neza kulo wala kwaNomambo Mkhize.
Get away is all I wanna do. Little get away with you, oh baby. Yeah. Get away is all I wanna do.
Yeah, so I bekulelula athabile kodwa ke ngenxa yomndeni wami nemthandazo yabo ngila ngikhona namhlanje.
Ngiyakuthanda makhaya.
So today is one we are celebrating perseverance, hard work, dedication.
And it just feels right. How I love kicking with you, baby. It's all I wanna do. Yeah, nothing better when we're together. And it just feels right. Man, I love kicking with you.